Hello and welcome to another edition of Resources for Life TV at resourcesforlife.com. My name is Greg Johnson, and this is a brief video about GPS navigation systems. I had a friend yesterday loan me their Garmin navigation system. I'm going to be taking a road trip today, as you can see. And, you know, in the past I really have not had an interest in these navigation systems just because they're costly and they require a subscription generally. And it's just one extra thing to carry around, you know, with the convergence of technology and the miniaturization of technology. I can have a video camera, a telephone, a still digital camera, my email, the internet, you know, pretty much everything you might imagine wanting in a device, plus 200,000 apps. I can have in the iPhone and fit it here, you know, in my shirt pocket. So why would I want to carry around another expensive, relatively expensive, I think they're like $150 to $200 for a nice one, device? But my friend offered, so, you know, I thought, oh, okay, I'll take him up on the offer, take her up on the offer, and go ahead and use this device. So anyway, what immediately dawned on me as I was driving along is I don't have for the iPhone the additional software, which is I think like $10 a month. From AT&T and their other providers. I don't have the application for my iPhone that does voice-guided navigation. So I'm stuck with, you know, like looking down at the iPhone whenever I'm trying to figure out, oh, is this my exit, or is it like exit A or B, or where do I need to turn, you know? So that's not exactly really safe to be fumbling around with a phone. I try to use my iPhone with what I refer to as a heads-up display, where, you know, you have the phone in front of you, you're looking at the phone, but you can see the road as well. So that's a little bit safer, but still, trying to figure out the map, it doesn't always make sense, you know, if all you have is GPS and mapping without voice navigation. I thought about getting the application for the iPhone, but it's a little bit expensive, and I don't do a lot of road time. I rent a car maybe 2-3 times a month, that's about it. So it just didn't seem practical. But today, I have to say, in using this Garmin device and having the voice navigation when needed, it makes a huge difference, because I don't have to be looking at a map. I can just listen to the voice navigation. So, you know, that's one benefit. The second benefit is if I need to receive a phone call or make a quick phone call while on the road, and I use my headset, so I'm very safe, despite driving without hands here, but I am very safe when I drive. But sometimes you need to make a call or take a call, and you keep it brief and you stay safe. But the point is, if I'm making a video or doing something else with my iPhone, I can't very well be having an application running that's doing voice navigation. So those are two big reasons why I think it's a good idea to go ahead, and for anybody that spends any amount of time on the road, you're going to save time, you're going to save gas, it's better for the planet, it's safer for you to spend the $150, $200 to get a GPS navigation system. And, you know, if you don't feel like you really need one for yourself, something I recommend often is that people, you know, share a device. Go in on purchasing a device, or just, you know, sharing it with other people. Keep it in the loop. When people need to make a road trip, you loan it out to them. So that way you haven't spent as much money, or at least, you know, the thing's not sitting collecting dust somewhere. But anyway, so this is just my sort of little plug for my little public service announcement for GPS navigation units. I think you should check it out. Borrow one from a friend, see how you like it. It's pretty addictive. I had one actually in a rental car a while back, and it really was nice, you know, built into the dash. It was really, really kind of nice. So I don't know, I might get one and maybe be like the secondary user of it, you know, which is often the case with technology I buy. There's some things I want to have access to, but I don't really need it on a daily basis, you know, so I'll buy them and then loan them out to some charity or something, or family member, and then you know, at least I can have use of it when I need it. So, but anyway, that's it for now from Greg on the road, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care.